This is Lego piece 4511. It's a sliding door. These were used with a special plate that has a rail along the edge, and the door slides in that rail. You'd have a plate at the top and at the bottom. On the back of the door is a little tab, keeps it from opening too far. And if you have two of them, you can fit them together and the little tab handles click together. These are actually kind of hard to get apart with the rail on the top and the bottom. They fit pretty nicely. These were used mostly on train car sets, boxcar doors. There is a basic building set that included two of these red doors in it from 1985. They were introduced in 1983 and used in about 10 sets between 83 and 87 in red, white, and yellow. Then Lego brought the part back in the 2000s in black, light bluish gray, and dark bluish gray. They are marked Lego and have the part number 4511 on the back. That is part number 4511, sliding door.